Good morning, Cody. Checking out your computer for your Ford Mustang, the A9P. And I can see it's got problems already with the capacitors. We'll give it the bench test real quick. This is power, this is check engine light, and this is the fuel pump operation. And this is the 5-volt regulator. So, got power going to the board, the check engine light comes on, the fuel pump is running non-stop, which it shouldn't be, and the 5-volt regulator is 0.14 volts. So this thing is in-op, definitely a problem. And ironically, this is not the worst looking computer I've seen. The capacitors actually don't look terribly bad in them. They are all leaking, but I've seen them where they're broke off and in much worse shape, and still somehow managed to work a little bit. But this one is not. It's dead. Definitely a problem. This is probably the worst capacitor. It's got quite a bit of gunk underneath it. It puked. And then here's number 2. It also puked, but not quite as bad. But you can see that ring around the bottom there, that kind of brown ring. That's the conformal coating kind of getting eaten away. The acid's leaked down there. And then this is the best one, and it's still not perfect. You can kind of see how the right side's got a nice bright contact. That's how it should look, like all those other silver spots on the board. And the left one's kind of a little bit of a teal green color. It's not that bad, but it's definitely not quite right. See that guy, he's corroded. So, definitely needs to be fixed. But it looks like a good candidate. I think it's going to be fine when we're done. I'm a little nervous about that 5-volt regulator not working, but that's probably just because one of these capacitors is worse off than we think underneath. So I think it's a good candidate. I think it'll work out fine.